Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to get the 6-7 emote in Clash Royale, the meme emote that says 6-7 and is one of the most iconic reactions in the game. So the 6-7 emote is a special emote and Supercell brings it back randomly in the daily shops or the emote shops. So you can open the shops every single day when it returns. You can buy it using the gems or with the help of your real money. Now, sometimes this emote appears in the limited time bundles during the events or the seasons. So when Clash Royale celebrates the memes, anniversaries, and throwback events, this emote often comes back. Now, Supercell rotates the classic emotes from time to time. So even if it is not available right now, don't worry, it will return. Just keep checking to rotate the cycles. Now there is no code glitch or generator or any kind of mode that is going to give you emote. Only the official returns in the shop and the special events. Anything else is going to risk your account, so do not do that. You need to turn on the in-game shop notifications, and this helps you catch it the moment it drops. So that's how you will get 6 to 7 emote in Clash Royale. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.